Whether you've got a garage full of cars, 2 vehicles between you and your partner, or a family fleet, a multi-car policy could be a great way to save on your car insurance. This video will look at what a multi-car policy is and how it works, who would be affected if one person on the policy has an accident, and whether it's the right type of cover for you. Multi-car insurance lets you insure multiple cars on the same policy. Typically, the more cars you add, the more discounts are applied. In terms of features and benefits, multi-car insurance works much like regular car insurance, and you can customize your policy to suit your specific needs with your provider. Cars can be added to your multi-car policy at any time, but be aware that adding cars will likely change your renewal date, often to 12 months after the last car was added. Multi-car insurance doesn't automatically insure you to drive all of the cars on your policy. For this, you'll have to be added as a named driver to the specific vehicles you want to drive. Most providers will offer multi-car insurance, although the level of discount you get and the number of cars you can add will vary. Some providers will also allow you to add cars that are registered to different addresses, ideal, for example, if your kid is going off to uni. Each car can have its own level of cover, excess amount, and no claims bonus. They're just listed under one policy to minimise paperwork and admin and get you a sweet discount. So if someone were to get into an accident, only their no claims would be affected. In the long run, however, high-risk drivers can end up increasing the overall premium. If you need to insure 2 or more cars, love saving money and hate wasting time, multi-car insurance could be a good option for you, as you'll likely get discounts for each car added. Plus, the majority of providers will house all of your car insurance under one policy, so you'll only have to remember one renewal date. Some providers, however, like Direct Line, offer a multi-car policy where each car in the household is insured under its own individual policy with its own renewal date, so you can choose to have autonomy over your policy without losing out on the discount. Multi-car discounts tend to work best when insuring drivers of similar age, experience, and driving history. Regardless of your personal driving history, if you add a young, high-risk driver to your multi-car policy, your premium is likely to go up and could outweigh any multi-car discounts. In situations like this, it might be better to insure each car separately. And finally, one renewal date for multiple cars could see you having to fork out a huge amount of money in one lump each year. Make sure you can afford these payments before considering this type of cover. Every couple, family, or individual car connoisseur will need slightly different things from their car insurance. For our full guide on multi-car insurance and to compare the best policy for you, head to finder.com. Links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel or stay tuned for our next video coming up. Thanks for watching.